In this video, I will show you how to edit footer in BigCommerce. Start by opening your BigCommerce dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Storefront, and from the drop-down, select Themes. On the Themes page, click Customize next to your active theme. This will take you to the Theme Editor. In the Theme Editor, look at the left-hand panel and click the Theme Styles icon, then select Header and Footer. Scroll down to the Footer section, where you can make all the adjustments you need. You can change the background color, update display settings, add or remove payment icons, and edit text blocks. You can also remove the default Powered by BigCommerce text if you like. Any changes you make will immediately reflect on the preview design page. Once you're happy with your updates, click Save at the top right corner. Then click Preview to see how your storefront looks with the new footer. Editing your footer is a great way to make your store feel branded and professional while ensuring key links and payment options are clear for your customers. And that's how to edit footer in BigCommerce.